Do you want to make your own animation video, but you don't know how to start? Do you think it's too hard or too expensive to create a professional looking video? Or maybe you're just not comfortable with showing your face or voice on camera? Well, don't worry, because I have a solution for you. You can easily turn a simple script into a stunning animation video using a free tool called Animaker. That's right, you don't need any special skill or equipment to create an amazing video. So in this video, I'll show you how to use Animaker to create an animation video from scratch. So by the end of this video, you'll be able to make animation video just like this. So for this, first we need a script. Today I was checking a channel that creates this kind of explanation videos, and it's really fantastic. So taking inspiration from that, I've written a small script. So now using this script, I'll do animation. So first we'll go to the Animaker website. Here we'll log in and click on create for free. And after that, we'll go to its dashboard. Here there are various options where you can create your project like horizontal, vertical, square video, Instagram, YouTube videos, and more and more. And below are my projects on which I've worked, and here are the characters, and then we see all its templates. So I'll simply click on the create project where we want to work. Like if you want to work on a YouTube video or a vertical video, we'll click on that project. So today I want to work on a horizontal video, so I'll simply click on that. And then I'll click on start with blank. So now we come to the scenes here. By clicking on the plus sign, we can add scenes, and here there are various options such as templates, characters with a lot of choices. We can even create our own character, and here are elements like text, backgrounds, images, effects, music, videos, and more and more. And there are two options for the overall timeline where we can work overall, or we can also work separately on each scene. So now the basic way of animation is to align the background and characters according to our script and animate them. For example, I've chosen a background, and then we take our character from here and attach it. So as you can see here, when I click on the character, various action appears like standing, and additionally in the emotion section, we can see the character's different emotions. We can use them to animate it. But today I'm taking a very simple approach so that even a beginner can easily do animation. So for this, first I remove all these elements, and after that, let's see what our script says. The first line of our script is welcome to our channel. So now I'll create a ready-made template or scene related to this. So for this, we'll first click on the template. Here there are two options. The ones you see here are all the templates. In the options, you can also choose something related to your script. In the second option, there are single scenes. And here you have various options. So now the first sentence is welcome to our channel. So related to that, I'll find a scene here. For example, I'll click on the healthcare options. In the scenes, here I'll find some good text-based intros, and I'll select one. And here we don't need to worry at all about the character's background, colors, and text. First, we need to find scenes according to our script. So now that our first scene is ready, we'll click on the plus sign here to create scene number 2. So now the next scene sentence is today let's tackle anger, a common and tricky emotion. So I'll search for scenes related to this theme, wherever you find scenes in the templates. For example, I'll guide you on how to select a scene from the template. When I click on this template, all the scenes from this template are now available to me. I can choose any scene from here. For example, this one or that one, but I'll choose this one. So in the same way, I'll click on the plus sign, and now I'll check my script here, and then I'll look for a scene related to that line. So I've collected all the scenes one by one, and now I'll do the voiceover for it. It's best to use your own voice for voiceovers, but if not, you can use a tool like 11 Labs. So I've generated the voice using 11 Labs, and now I'll upload the generated voice here. Simply click on it, and it will be attached here. So now I'll play it, and I'll cut scene 1 until the first sentence. In the same way, I'll listen to the voice and cut the scenes accordingly. So now that I've adjusted all the scenes according to the voice, you can see that they have different background colors. So to synchronize them, I'll adjust their background. For that, I'll click on scene number 1, then click on change color, and from here I'll choose the desired color. I can't add the same color to every scene because some scenes require a background instead of a single color, so I'll keep those backgrounds the same and adjust only the scenes with single color. So now that I've changed the background color, I'll move on to editing the text. Wherever text is needed, I'll add it in a consistent font and color. So let me check scene number 1 for this. So here you can see that there are 2 texts and I don't need the one at the bottom. So I'll delete it and replace the top one with welcome to our channel. So now I'll click on scene number 2 and check the editing. Just like in scene number 1, I'll change the text here. Additionally, I want to replace the bulb with an angry woman. So to do that, I'll go to the characters section, choose a character, go to their actions and select the angry action, and after that, I'll click on the bulb to check its animation. So here you can see the animation here is a pop center key animation. So I'll apply the same to the girl. This way, it will look consistent with the timing of the pop center animation on the bulb. So as you can see, I've applied the same animation to the girl at the same timing, so making it adjust well with the scene. So now I'll delete the bulb and move on the next scene. Now in the scene number 3, you can see that the color and font of the text have changed. So I'll select the font that we previously chose and set the color to white. And now in the scene, I have also changed the font of the text. However, you can see that due to the light background, I have kept it black. And now here I want to add a small animation. In the first half of the scene, this character will remain as it is. And the second half, these characters will appear sad and angry. So for this, once we reach the halfway point of the scene, we'll cut the characters from here. For this, we'll select the character we want to cut and click here to cut. Similarly, we'll cut the second character and select the third character, cut it as well. Now we have characters on both sides. We'll change the animation from here. For example, I've selected this boy, converted his expression to sad. Then I've selected the character and converted it to angry, and I did the same for this character as well. So now let's see the final result. Now in this scene, I also changed the expressions of this lady character. For this, we'll simply click on the character and from here we'll select the expression or action that fits our script according to what we think is right. So now I've made the slight animations or changes within the text from here. You can also add transition and any music you like. So now that the video is ready, let's take a preview.
Welcome to our channel. Today let's tackle anger. A common and
So our video is ready, so we'll simply click on download here and download it. After that, your video will be rendered and then you can finally download your video from here. So let's go and see our final result.
Welcome to our channel. Today let's tackle anger. A common and tricky emotion. It can either help or harm depending on how we handle it. So here's the quick tips. Recognize anger signs, physical sensations, thoughts, feelings, behaviors. Identify the source, the situation, need, value, or past. Express it wisely. Talk, write, exercise, create, or relax. Understand and resolve. Communicate, listen, empathize, find solutions, learn. Anger is a powerful emotion. How we manage it shapes our path. Subscribe for more wisdom on living well. Thanks for watching.
Here you can see a watermark in the free version. It's fine to leave it as it is and there won't be any problem. However, if you're still not satisfied, you can go to any editing tool and add your channel logo here. Just like I have set the subscribe image here. So this was today's video about making explanation video on YouTube related to your passion, now made easy with Animaker. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you have any question or need further assistance, feel free to ask. Happy animating!